Doctor of Science.
Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, I present to you Honorable Sri Srirang Devba Lad, Dadaji Lad, for being awarded the honorary degrees of Doctor of Science.
May I request Honorable Sri Srirang Devba Lad Sir to receive the honorary degree Doctor of Science.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, as authorized by Honorable Chancellor of this University, I admit you to the honorary degree Doctor of Science, and in token thereof, I present to you this degree and authorize you to wear the robe ordained as the insignia of this honorary degree.
श्री श्रीरंग देवबा लाड alias Dada Lad, a progressive farmer, distinguished agricultural visionary, and nationally respected social reformer who has devoted more than 5 decades to the upliftment of farming communities and rural society. He has played a major role in shaping agricultural discourse, farmer outreach, and rural development policies across the country. Sri Dada Lad began his cotton research activities in 2002, working extensively on farmers' fields, which ultimately led to the development of a highly efficient cotton cultivation technology. This innovation, popularly known as Dada Lad technology, validated by CICR Nagpur and the 3 SAUs of Maharashtra, has significantly transformed cotton productivity across the country. This high-density cotton planting method increasing cotton yield by 44%, reducing crop duration, enabling double cropping, and lowering cost of cultivation. The technology is adapted across Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka, and Telangana, and promoted through ICAR KVKs nationwide. It is one of the most influential farmer-led innovations in contemporary Indian agriculture. His technology increased the income of cotton growers under rarefied conditions. He has also worked extensively for over 4 decades towards the conservation of the Red Kandhari indigenous cattle breed, for which his dedicated efforts have been duly honored by Maharashtra Animal and Fishery Sciences University, Nagpur. A compassionate social worker and an inspiring grassroots motivator, he has traveled extensively across rural India to promote sustainable agriculture, educational advancement, cultural values, social harmony, and farmer welfare. His active engagement and guidance have empowered countless small and marginal farmers to improve their livelihoods through natural farming, agricultural technology, and improved livestock management practices. In recognition of his outstanding and lifelong contributions in developing innovations, agriculture, rural development, livestock improvement, and social science, the Vasantrao Naik Marathwada Krishi Vidyapit Parbhani confers upon Sri Srirang Devba Lad alias Dada Lad the degree Doctor of Science honoris causa. The university wishes him all the best for further strengthening his resolve to continue developing innovations and technologies for the benefit of the rural community and society at large.